showing you drumstick soup. To begin the soup, little oil and little butter. Butter is melted. I'm going to add in ginger, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, potato. Going to add in some drumsticks which I've cut into pieces. I'll saute this for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add in green chilies, some salt. It's time to add some water. You can even add vegetable stock if you have. I'm going to close the lid. I'm going to pressure cook this and allow it to cool. Cooker has cooled down. I'll scoop out just the drumsticks. I'm going to pour in scooped out drumstick pulp. Make this into a smooth paste. I'm going to strain in the soup. Now I would boil this by adding some more salt and some pepper. Now that the soup is boiling well, ready to serve, you can garnish with some finely chopped coriander in the center. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.